Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Dunwoody local and long-distance movers near me. Our focus is to ensure 100% customer satisfaction and build long-lasting relationships with customers. After assessing your unique needs, our experts will do everything they could to fulfill your specific needs. Hire us and enjoy these services and benefits: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Some people don't consider hiring local movers as a beneficial thing. The most obvious reason is the price. You must not follow their advice because hiring an experienced and reliable moving company in Dunwoody offers excellent benefits. The best local movers provide a perfect blend of quality and affordability to ensure 100% customer satisfaction. If you don't have the experience to pack and handle different types of items, you will end up making a lot of mistakes and even cause damage to your precious possessions. When you hire us, we will send a team of accomplished professionals who get the job done with a clear focus on quality and cost efficiency. Our streamlined approach gets you settled in your new destination immediately. You don't need to wait 1 or 2 days when you work with us. Our professionals will complete a local move in a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Dunwoody moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.